Where to find more information? आपको information कहाँ से और मिल सकती है? You can find out more information from the following places. The Home Office website for information about the application process and the forms you will need to complete. The Live in the UK test website, www.lifeintheUKtest.gov.uk for information about the test and how to book a place to take one. Gov.uk, www.gov.uk for information about ESOL courses and how to find one in your area. Check that you understand. Check करें कि आपको understanding हो गई है. The origin of the values underlying British society, the fundamental principles of British life, the responsibilities and freedoms which come with permanent residence, the process of becoming a permanent resident or citizen. All questions. Which of the following is a fundamental principle of British life? इनमें से कौन सी चीज है जो एक बुनियादी असूल है British life का? Extremism, इंतहा पसंदी, intolerance, individual liberty or inequality. Explain answer. Individual liberty is a fundamental principle of British life. There is no place in British society for extremism or intolerance. So individual liberty. Which of the following is a responsibility you will have as a citizen or permanent resident of the UK? To keep your dog on a lead at all times. कि आप अपना जो dog है उसको lead पे रखेंगे. To avoid shopping on a Sunday. Sunday को shopping नहीं करेंगे. To look after yourself and your family, आप अपनी और अपनी family की देखभाल करेंगे. To grow your own vegetables, या आप अपने vegetables खुद उगाएंगे. So to look after yourself and your family. Which two of the following are fundamental principles of British life? इनमें से दो आंसर हैं जो ब्रिटिश लाइफ के बुनियादी असूल हैं. Only driving your car on weekdays and participation in community life. Participation in community life and tolerance of those with different faiths and beliefs. Only driving your car on weekdays and growing your own fruit and vegetables. Growing your own fruit and vegetables and tolerance of those with different faiths and beliefs. ये दोनों तकरीबन सेम लग रहे हैं पर फ़र्क ये है कि इसमें है कि पार्टिसिपेशन इन कम्युनिटी लाइफ कि आप कम्युनिटी लाइफ में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे और दूसरों को के जो फेथ और बिलीफ हैं उनको बर्दाश्त करेंगे और इसमें है कि ग्रोइंग योर ओन फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स. आंसर इज बी. इज द स्टेटमेंट बिलो ट्रू और फॉल्स? Participating in your community is a fundamental principle of British life. British society is founded on fundamental values and principles which all those living in the UK should respect and support. This includes participating in community life. So true.